instead, okay? So we're here, he's doing all the things, he's trying to grab whatever grips. Yeah. So once we're here, cradle, okay? And now there's a little space here for me to put my face, okay? I'm gonna roll, okay? I'm gonna roll, I'm gonna kind of fall this way, and I have to engage my abs to complete the roll, okay? Or else it just looks shitty, okay? So you have to kind of, you know, act like you're doing a plank, you know, that same power, wherever that power comes from, you know? So we're here, I'm gonna fall. Now, we're in, here's like cradle again. And you can go right back to this if you want. Opposite side, you know, this is weird. I mean, try it if you like, it's just not going to feel the same. Opposite side.